Hello, this is me. Right, so here we are in the Tanat Valley. That's Llangunnog over there. This is a friend I've picked up who's just following me. I don't know where he's from or who owns him, but he's been following me for about a mile now. So the trick is to get from here to PistyllRhyader and Mochnant, which involves going over that mountain there, down into the valley, over the next one, turn left at the top, go a couple of miles, and then hopefully should be at the top of the waterfall. Here we are, rising quite high above the valley now, up on the mountain path. The daft dog is still with me. Dog, dog, shoo, shoo, go home, shoo, das hadre. Yep, so much he thinks of my commands. Shoo, go home now. No, don't come in there. Das hadre, shoo, shoo. Right, okay. Okay, still with me. Here we are in the woods. It's on the shoulder of the mountain. When we get to the other end of this, we should have to cross a bit of grassland, and then we should be able to see into the next valley and the next mountain to go up, of course. Just coming to the edge of the woods. Yeah, he's still here. Yeah, I left about 9:30 this morning. It's now getting off at 10 to 10, and I can just see a glimpse of the next mountain through the trees there. Let's go and have a look. So here we are. That there is the mountain directly behind Llangunnog. So we've done that one, and now here's the valley and the river at the bottom. We've got to cross, and then we've got to go up that one there and along that ridge there until we fall over a waterfall, basically. And in case you're wondering, yes, he's still with me. Are you going home now, dog? Just ignores me. Right, so here we are at the bottom of the valley. This is not so much a river as a stream, as you can see. Yeah, he's still here. I've tried to lock him out with gates several times now, over that way, but he's evaded it every time. Don't know how he'll fare with that one over there. We'll see, because we're going up there now, and hopefully the dog will stay. I found a dog-proof fence down there, so I leapt over it and legged it as best I could uphill in this hot weather, and I haven't seen the dog since, until now. Yep, he just bounded up to me from nowhere and he's back again. Oh well, keep a lookout for more dog-proof fences, allegedly. Doggy, look, I am not your master. I don't know who is. I don't know who you are, where you've come from, where you live, anything, okay? Now, you're a dog. You've got a good sense of smell. You should be able to smell your way back home. Yeah, so I suggest you go now. I mean, it's been fun, but, you know, everything has to come to an end. No, that way, the way you were looking. No, this way, over here. Dos adre, go home, shoo. Dog. Dog. Whew. Well, this shows how hot it is these days. I mean, this is normally a stream, and it's absolutely bone dry. Isn't it, dog? Oi. Yeah, ignore me, as ever. Oh, I think we might have found, finally, a dog-proof fence. Doggy! Oi, dogs! Dogs! Go home now! Go, don't... Okay, we're quite high above the valley now, and I think our next mark point is on the top of that, or thereabouts. Ooh, it's blazingly hot, so I've stopped for a water break. Thought I'd survey the beauty here, see if I can lock this exposure so you can actually see the hill. Wait a minute, I think that's it. Yeah, so that's the mountain behind Llangunnog there. That's over there towards Bala, I think, is over there. That way anyway, Bala Gwynedd up that way. And we're halfway up to the top of here. So that's where I'm going next. And yeah, in case you're wondering, still here. I've decided to give him a name. I'm going to call him Dog. Oi, Dog! Yep, ignoring me. So here we are. pretty close to the top now. There's just that bit there to go. Oh, I can't see, my eyes are full of sweat and stinging. Gee, gods, it's hot here. Oh yeah, he's still with me. Okay, so coming down the other side, this is the third valley really, including Tanat. So down there, I don't know whether you can see us down there, if I can point it up by there. There's a gate. I wonder if it's dog proof, because I think we need to go through that. Okay, let's have a go. Well, I think we might have a dog proof fence after all. Whew. Okay then, doggy, time to go home now. Your mummy will be worried about you. Are you listening? Are you listening to me? Your mummy will be worried about you. I've got a lift from the other end anyway, so you're going to have to go by yourself now, okay? Bye-bye then. Thanks for the company. See you soon. Bye-bye, dog. Well, time will tell. So here we are, about half a mile further on. And guess what? There in the bushes is lurking. Yep. Yeah, he's back. I give up. So following the very precise instructions of get to the top of the second mountain and turn left. And here we are at the edge of the valley. Yeah, he's still here. And down there, as far as I can tell, is PistyllRhyader. Down, where am I here? Yeah, it's not a very good vantage point, is it? I think the waterfall is round about here, but it looks like it's dried up. I can't see any actual water flowing. Yeah. So this is as good a place as any for lunch, I suppose. Yeah. Guess who's having half of my salad sandwiches? Dog is. Nice dog? Okay, that's lunch over. So the dog and I are now going to crack on over this way and onto the waterfall. Dog's ahead of me. Some sort of track, bridle path or something. This looks a bit more promising, doesn't it, dog? Yeah, whatever. I think we might be close. I can hear some sort of waterfall-y type sounds down there. I'm not sure how this digital zoom thing works. Oh, there you are. Don't suppose it's going to be very good quality, a bit blocky no doubt, but might give you some idea of what's down there. And that's where my lift should be coming. Yeah, so I hope you can find your own way back, matey. This may well be the top of the waterfall here, I don't know. I get the impression it should be further over there though. Although there's a huge drop down there. That is very scary. Doesn't seem to worry the dog. So I think I'll go over that way. Right, I can hear voices and the rushing of water coming from down there. No sign of dog though, he's disappeared. Has he finally given up and gone home, do we think? Perhaps the head of the waterfall is actually down here somewhere maybe. Right, well I've gone off track at the moment because I can't see any other way to get down there. No sign of dog yet, which is good. And down there, there's a river. And I suspect that goes to the gully, and I suspect that is PistyllRhyader down there. So that's where I need to get to, because that's where Sharon is coming to pick me up. I can't let her know, because this is a dead zone. There's no reception at all here. Oh well, just wade through that lot now then. Well, here I am, lost in a sea of bracken. No obvious way out. I can hear sheep down there somewhere, unless it's dog again. Surely not. Surely not. But I can hear the river. Oh, it's a sheep. But I can hear the river down that way, so find a way through here, I suppose. Okay, so I've just come down through this lot here onto this barbed wire fence. But there's the river. So, well, over the fence and that way, I would assume. And here we are. Here's the river at last. So we need to find a way now to get down there. Probably over there's my best bet. Let's try it. Well, crossing the river was a good move because just down this path here, and what have we got? Signs of civilization. I don't know what the sign means though. No humans allowed? Well, that path fizzled out quite quickly. Hello, sheep. Nowhere obvious to go. Let's keep ploughing through, I suppose. Definite waterfall-y sounds coming from around here somewhere. Down there. Is it a big waterfall? Or just a little one? I don't know. Oh, little one. Yes, I have it on good authority from the people in the picture here that this is the top of the big waterfall, PistyllRhyader, which goes down into Lavalier and Mochnas. So I'm going to find a way down now. Looks like somebody's been for a swim and forgotten their nicks. I think we'll need to go to the bottom to see the big one, because this is about as close as I comfortably want to get. I don't know if you can see that. Pretty scary, I think. Oh, that's pretty good, isn't it? Looking down from the top. Well, this lady here has just informed me that in order to go down there, I first have to go all the way up there and then down. So I better get a move on. Now I suspect this is where I would have ended up had I not got lost somewhere over there. Never mind, just come up there, here now, and I gather that is the way down. I still half expect to see dog bounding along after me. But now, this path has come to here. Not so sure this is the way down. Well, I've come down it anyway. I thought I'd give it a go because if you look down by here, there does appear to be a bit of a footpath there, doesn't there? So, yeah, so down here, and then down there. Oh. Well, it's the bottom, hopefully. And that mountain climb brings us down here, which I think is where we're supposed to be. Because there's proper steps and everything, look. And a gate over there. We were right at the top of there, when I still had the dog with me. And we've sort of come down through this lot here to find ourselves at the bottom here. Lovely. That's quite a waterfall, isn't it? So now I'm going to go over to the building over there to see if I can find Sharon and possibly have a cup of tea and a cake. Tea and a cake, here we come, hopefully. And there she is. Hello, Shadows. Cup of tea and a cake? Yes. Bye bye, everyone.